Saras 2018 special press conference आज call out केले असा. आपली Saras 2018 is scheduled on 13th of December 2018 to 23rd of December 2018. 10 दिवस Saras fair चलतलो आणि the venue, this year's venue is at Darya Sangam Panjim near Kala Academy. The Saras fair was originally initiated by the RDA Ministry Center, the Department of Rural Development, and from there onwards every state organizes Saras and special assistance is given from the center to organize Saras. The main purpose behind organizing this is to empower the women, also for the poverty elevation, and to give the self-help groups a chance to exhibit their products, as well as to salesmanship develop karpak, also to exhibit their products, to polish their products, and to compete with the other states. Right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, most of the states participate. We put up nearly 200 stalls every year, of hundreds of which stall is given to the states, the other states who participate, and 100 stalls are kept for the self-help groups and the artisans locally, that is from Goa. Normally, I mean, just Saras organized kartale. There used to be a lot of complaints with regard to how we used to put up the infrastructure there, how the stall, the look of the Saras used to be, and a lot of comments used to come. So this year we have roped in, we have done this with the help of GTDC. Ek event management company कडल्यान आम्ही वो Saras organize करता, आणि to give it a better look. And the programs also will be at a level how the tourism department organizes. Artists not only from Goa will participate, but across Goa, right from Mumbai, Pune, from Rajasthan, from all the places, the best performing artists will be given a chance. They will come and perform, as well as the folk dance and the folk art from various states. They will also get a chance to perform for this particular Saras.
Self-help group
More than 3,000 self-help groups are there. Participant willingly 100 stalls are 120
self-help groups.
Divide the basic intention of having two Saras is that South Goa South Goa, but the best one will get a chance here. I just how ek Fugdi Nehru organized by Art and Culture, ek Fugdi's competition of the party chief guest म्हणून थंयसरले फुगडी जे अनाउंस केले आसा, बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग ग्रुप थंयसरलो आसा, they will be given an opportunity, as well as training for all this self-help groups. जावं नवीन कोण जर आसा तर तांकां ट्रेन करून तांकां एक प्रोग्राम दवरून तांकां तो आमचो जे दायज आसा गोंयचे ते सांबाळपाक लागून प्रयत्न करता. इन्सेंटिव्स तांकां आसता, तांकां फूल कॉस्ट ऑफकोर्स सगळ्यांकून व्हडलो एनकरेजमेंट तांकां मोर दॅन मानधन इज टू गीव देम अ प्लॅटफॉर्म, आणि तो आमी थंय दिवपाचो तांकां प्रयत्न करता. तांकां लोकली परफॉर्म जे करता तांकां एट अ नॅशनल लेवल प्रोग्रामाक तांकां परफॉर्मन्स करपाक चान्स पडटा. दीस इट सेल्फ इज अ बिग थिंग. तेंचो ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन आमी वी टेक केअर ऑफ द ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन, आणि एकोमोडेशन जर तांकां जाय जाल्यार स्टे जावं तेंचे वॉट एवर मदीं रिफ्रेशमेंट बी कितें आसा पळय, दॅट इज टेकन केअर ऑफ.